Elders from tribal areas of Pakistan got together in Peshawar on Wednesday morning for a grand jargah in response to a call by leader of Pakistan's Jamat-e-Islami. The meeting was called in response to United States intervention in tribal belt, especially drone attacks and the ongoing military operation in the region.
अफगानिस्तान के हवाले से जिस नई पॉलिसी का ऐलान किया गया है,
The so-called new American Afghan policy is in fact against Pakistan and the tribal areas, their culture, and especially against Islam and Muslims.
The jargah called for an immediate end to both U.S. attacks and the ongoing Pakistan military operation in the tribal areas. The Jamaat-e-Islami leader said the operation was conducted on behalf of the United States and that it has killed many civilians and done great damage to the infrastructure of the region.
We are just surprised over the policies of our own government as to how and why they are obeying their American masters and carrying out their brutal military action against their own tribal people.
The use of Predator drones and Hellfire missiles in Fatah has killed only a few high-profile militant leaders, while many strikes have been unsuccessful, resulting in too many civilian casualties in the area. Hundreds of people, many of them civilians, have been killed in drone attacks in the past year.
The purpose of this jargah is to protest against the brutal act of aggression against the tribal area by the Americans. They target the civilians by drone attacks. They use cluster bombs. We're also hit by rockets fired from Afghanistan side.
Pakistan has criticized drone attacks, saying they fuel support for the militants. Most Pakistani people are opposed to the U.S. strikes on tribal regions and consider them as intervention and violation of sovereignty of their country. Residents of tribal areas say that only 1/6 of U.S. drone attacks have targeted militants' hideouts, while the rest have killed hundreds of civilians. And despite public and military's opposition, the United States seems to be inclined to carry out more drone strikes instead of winding them up in the tribal regions of Pakistan. Zahid, Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.